Hello guys, how are you? I hope you will be fine, shine like a star. This is the Stephen John Smith. I'm from the California. I'm your speaker. Today we discuss about the most popular topic. Everybody know and everybody wants to maximum earns profit from internet. So that's why today my plan is to discuss about how to take money online, how to make money offline, how to take money quickly from websites, how to take money quickly from internet. So it's my request for you guys, kindly watch my full videos. So in this video we will discuss about the popular methods built an e-commerce websites. Selling products online is the best way to make money online. More and more bricks and mortar stores are turning to e-commerce due to its advantage. Apart from having the broader market reach, e-commerce stores require lower startup cost and letting you save money and operational expensive. For example, you don't need to rent different retails locations and their sale operations. Before launching an online business, it is essential to decide on the store niche. If you are unsure, researching trending products will help narrow down which types of products to sold. Creating an online store today also could be easier even for beginners thanks to the growth of e-commerce platform. However, picking the right ones is the important descriptions. The platform will contribute to you and customer overall's experience. Here's our compliance of the best e-commerce platform from the building your own online store. Zytro e-commerce, a beginner-friendly website built offering free themes and numerous all-power tools to assist with the business operations. WooCommerce, and open source platform built from the WordPress, providing all the necessary sites functions to create your dream store. And the precious tab, the e-commerce software offers diverse products management functionality and analysis tools. And Shopify are the most popular option with the build your own abandonment cart recovery features and SU tools. In addition, consider factors such as inventory, warehousing, packaging, and the shipping. Make sure to take them into the accounts with writing a business plan. Note that you may also need to obtain a business license depending on to the chosen business models. These may include registration certificate, local and the federal uh, premises, and the sale tax premises. Open and the drop shipping store. One of the great idea you can earn money online at the drop shipping store. Drop shipping is to B2B business models where people sell products via online store and with the third party supply processing and fulfill the orders. It's an easier alternative to running the standard e-commerce store since opening and the dropshipping store does not involve the hassles of the dealing with inventory and shipping. Starting a dropshipping store, it is a similar to create the typical online store and involves choosing the niche and the platform to source. I hope this video is very essential for you. Thank you very much.